am Disha S. I am a primary teacher in KB CRP Palipuram. COVID-19 pandemic has adversely affected all our lives in one way or the other. It took some time for everyone to adopt the new normal. Many are still struggling to get out of this. With the closure of schools and nowhere to go, children have started pursuing their hobbies like handicrafts, gardening, cooking, dancing, music, painting. Virsa, the flagship program by Roots to Roots, is a great initiative to keep the young minds motivated during these difficult times. The periodic digital workshops on yoga, fun with art, instrumental music, brain development programs keep the children engaged and motivated. All our students and teachers took part in large numbers to be stress-free. Thanks to Virsa and Roots to Roots for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Ailey Sriram of class 7A. I am here to present my thank you to the new project organized by my school as Virsa Workshop. I have attended all the workshops and I want to say that all of them were so good and very interesting. I learned many new things and now I have new hobbies too. I want many such more classes so that I can learn many new things. Thank you to my school, my teachers and all the teachers I met in Virsa classes for introducing me to such amazing hobbies. Thank you.
Namaskar. I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to Roots to Root organization and Virsa team for their wonderful initiative in organizing digital workshops for students throughout the country. These workshops were excellently planned and executed and were useful for the students to know about India's cultural heritage and various performing arts. In this pandemic period, these workshops really helped our students to release their tension, and our parents and our teachers along with the students enthusiastically participated in these workshops, and I take this opportunity to thank the whole team, and we look forward to such initiatives in future also. Thank you.
Namaskar. I, Jagrati Pradhan, music teacher in charge Roots to Roots and workshop coordinator in KVCRPF Pallipuram. I am here to share my experience on the digital Virsa workshops conducted in this pandemic period. All the workshops were very informative and full of guidance. The enthusiasm level of Virsa gurus was really tremendous. All the students were interested throughout the session. The interaction level and the way of handling such a large number of students so effectively were really very inspiring. These workshops enriched many creative aspects among students and helped them to develop interest and curiosity towards our diverse Indian culture. Being a music teacher, I myself got so much inspired and I could see the difference in my students' approach towards various fields. I am really very happy to be a part of such innovative practice and thankful also that I could bring such new things to my students. At last, I would like to conclude my words by expressing thanks to Roots organization, Team Virsa, all Virsa gurus and my school for making me part of such wonderful sessions. Thank you.